Hello, what is your name?
Hi ma'am, I'm Adora Pardula,
How old are you?
36 years old,
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes ma'am,
Do you have kids?
two kids,
How
14
old are
years
they?
old and 12 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
10 months ma'am.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
No.
So how long you been working with your current employer?
5 months ma'am.
Where's your employer living in?
Wong Tai Sin,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
700 square feet ma'am.
How many family member there?
2 adults and then the 1 minor age.
Okay, how old?
10 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
7 o'clock ma'am.
And then?
And then I prepare the breakfast to go to the school, and then I'll be back at home to clean the house, and then I prepare the lunch.
Okay. How about, do you go market?
Yeah, I go to market sometimes.
Okay. So how about dinner? What time you cook?
6 p.m.
Okay, so what time they eat?
7,
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
9 p.m. ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.